Today we are going to go over how to order cataloged items within Coupa. So first, what is a cataloged item? A cataloged item is a list of items from multiple suppliers that have already been pre-negotiated and pre-sourced by our procurement team. There are 3 different ways to find catalog items within Coupa. The first is in the What Do You Need field. You can start typing in a keyword and it will not only bring up the top 9 options that are popular at our company, but if you'd like to see more options, you can just click this arrow key or hit the enter key. It's going to bring up all the options within the company for you to look at. It will also show you how many suppliers carry an item with that keyword inside it. You can also search by commodity or price range. If I decide that I want one of these items, all I have to do is I can make sure the quantity that I want is here. So if I'd like a bigger quantity, I can use this plus or minus field, or I can type in how many I would like and I can add it to my cart. You'll immediately see that it's been added to my cart, and you'll notice there is 1 line in my cart now. That's the first way to order a cataloged item. The second way is through this browse feature, where if I know that I'm looking for a specific type of commodity, in this case, I'm actually going to be looking for all of the cataloged China items, the system will show me everything within this particular commodity. Now, I can also search by suppliers or price high to low, item description, or I can even search by keyword. Once I've found the item that I would like, I can type in how many I would like, and I can also add this to my cart. As you can see, I've now added 2 different items from 2 different searches into my cart. The third way is going back to the home page. If I know the supplier I'm using, I can actually start typing the supplier's name here, and it is going to bring up all of the suppliers that have these letters in it. I can then select the supplier I'm looking for. It's going to bring up every item that is cataloged from this supplier. Here I can actually search by keyword, or I can actually move or sort this list in a specific method. So once I've sorted and I've found what I'm looking for, I can add as many of these to my cart as I would like. That's the third method of shopping for cataloged items. Once I have everything in my cart, there's a couple of different things that I need to do before I can successfully check out. The first is ensure that my address is correct. The second, if this is an unusual order, I can type notes into my approver so that they know why I'm ordering this. I want to make sure that the department number is correct. This department number is where your warehouse or receiving dock will deliver to. So I want to make sure that this reflects where I'd like it delivered to. If this is not correct, I can either correct it to the area or the department I'd like it delivered to, or I can add delivery notes later in my cart. I want to scroll down. I want to confirm that there are no deposits required for this order. If you're unsure of this, always select no. I want to confirm that this is not capital. And then the last piece here is I want to confirm this is not a contract. Once I've done those 3 things, I will scroll to my cart. As you can see, there's some red pieces here that I must correct. So the first is the need by date. I need to let the supplier know when I'd like this stuff. So if I know that the supplier typically delivers on a Tuesday, we'll pick the following Tuesday. If all of these should be delivered roughly the same day or on the same day, I can update all at the same time by selecting this button, which selects everything in my cart. I can edit selected, and I can pick one specific date. Now notice, here's also my delivery comments box. So if I would like this delivered to a specific location that is different than the pre-designed one for my department, I can make notes here. And then my warehouse will get those notes and deliver to that location. When I hit adjust, you'll notice that all of the need by dates have been selected to or changed. My delivery comment is now in every line. The last thing is this red area over here. Because this GL code does not exist in my department, it's asking me to choose one that does. If I do not know the GL code this should be charged to, I can use this choose an account feature, and I can search for all. Notice this is my company code, my division code, and my department. If I hit search, this will show me all of the codes available to my department. I can toggle through here and find the correct code for what I'm purchasing, and I will hit choose, and it's going to update the GL code for this line. If I'd like to do the same GL code for everything in my cart, again, I can select all, edit selected. Now, if I know the GL code, instead of searching, I can start typing. And you can see it does bring me a drop down of the closest codes to what I'm looking for. Now I can select and adjust, and it will adjust everything in my cart. Once I'm done, you'll see here that if it requires approval, you'll see the necessary approvers. If no approval is required, you'll see that it'll immediately go to approval complete, and it'll place my order. As soon as I'm done, I will hit submit for approval, and this will go through the approval chain, and that is how you order from cataloged items.